In a forgotten house on the outskirts of town, a nursery holds dark secrets from the past where innocent laughter has turned into haunting cries that echo through the halls. As night falls, a chilling wind sweeps through the nursery, stirring memories long buried and releasing the spirits trapped within, longing for release and vengeance. Driven by curiosity and fear, a group of friends decides to investigate the chilling nursery, unaware that their arrival has awakened something sinister and desperate for attention. As the air grows colder, the friends realize they are not alone. The spirits of the past rise in anger, demanding to be heard and threatening to claim anyone who dares to disturb their slumber. As whispers filled with sorrow and rage fill the room, the friends must uncover the tragic tale hidden within the nursery's walls before they become part of its haunting legacy. Desperate to escape, they frantically search for a way to appease the restless spirits, unraveling a web of betrayal and grief that ties their fates to the nursery's tragic past.